Imagine a world perpetually bathed in the blinding, chaotic glow of the aurora. No gentle northern lights, but a constant, terrifying display, a stark reminder of the sun's untamed power. What if Earth's protective shield, its magnetic field, never formed? And let's find the answer to the question, what if? Earth's magnetic field acts as a vital shield, deflecting the solar wind's constant barrage of charged particles. Without this protection, the solar wind would directly impact our atmosphere, gradually stripping away lighter gases like hydrogen and helium. This atmospheric erosion would result in a significantly thinner atmosphere, dramatically altering our climate and severely jeopardizing the existence of life as we know it. The reduced atmospheric pressure and altered composition would create a far less hospitable environment, impacting everything from temperature regulation to the availability of essential gases for respiration. The consequences of this atmospheric loss would be far-reaching and potentially catastrophic, making the survival of complex life exceedingly difficult. Without Earth's magnetic shield, intense solar radiation would relentlessly bombard our planet. This increased radiation would severely damage DNA, drastically increasing mutation rates and hindering the evolution of complex life. Many organisms would struggle to survive these heightened radiation levels. Simple, radiation-resistant life forms might exist, but the emergence of complex, multicellular organisms like humans would be extremely improbable. The absence of this protective barrier would create an environment far too hostile for the development of the intricate biological systems that characterize life on Earth as we know it. A world without Earth's magnetic field would experience a dramatically altered climate. The loss of atmospheric gases, primarily through solar wind stripping, would reduce the greenhouse effect, causing a significant temperature drop. This could trigger widespread glaciation, potentially leading to a snowball Earth scenario, a completely frozen planet. The volatile nature of such a climate would further destabilize the environment, creating extreme weather patterns and making survival for most life forms incredibly challenging. The resulting harsh conditions would differ drastically from the relatively stable climate that allowed for the flourishing of diverse ecosystems we observe today. Navigation and migration would become incredibly challenging without Earth's magnetic field. Birds, sea turtles, and many other creatures rely on this field for guidance during their migrations, journeys crucial for survival and reproduction. Losing this natural compass would severely disrupt their migratory patterns, leading to potential habitat loss, reduced food sources, and potentially widespread extinctions. Human navigation would also be profoundly impacted, forcing reliance on less precise methods like celestial navigation, far more challenging and unreliable than the technology we currently use. The consequences of disrupted migration extend far beyond individual species, potentially causing significant imbalances within entire ecosystems. The Earth's magnetic field likely played a pivotal role in the evolution of life. Without this shield, the intense solar radiation and cosmic rays would have bombarded the planet's surface, severely hindering the development of complex organisms. Early life forms, less resilient to radiation, might have been eradicated, preventing the emergence of multicellular life. Even if life did arise, it would likely be restricted to extremophiles, thriving in shielded environments such as deep underground. The resulting biosphere would drastically differ from ours, potentially lacking the diversity and complexity we observe today. The absence of a protective magnetosphere could have resulted in a planet far less hospitable, fundamentally altering the course of life's evolution, possibly preventing the development of intelligent species. Earth's magnetic field is crucial for life. Its absence would cause atmospheric loss, increased radiation, climate change, and navigation disruption, likely preventing complex life. In your opinion, what if Earth had no magnetic field? Share your thoughts in the comments.